Hey guys, how's it going? This is Crypto Rick. Today I'm going to talk about something a little bit different. I'm going to talk about something I'm personally doing. It's actually not crypto related. This is more on the Forex and gold slash digital currency trading side of things that I do. I don't usually make any YouTube videos about it, but I thought recently I was going to start, and I just wanted to show people the opportunity that I'm actually in right now. So if you are a trader or looking to be a trader or ever interested in becoming a trader, this is a company you might want to take a look at. They were actually just announced, awarded the AAA opportunity rating. So definitely an opportunity that people want to take a look at. And I want to show you just one of the multiple apps, aka products that they offer. It's really just tools to help traders find trades that they want to get into, help you get a better success rate when you're trading. And we're seeing about a 90% win rate. It fluctuates obviously, but 85 to 90% win rate is right where we're at on these teacup signals that I'll show you, as well as the gold rush side of things. Okay, so I wanted to just show you how easy it is. So say that you have never traded in your life, but you want to make money. It's not exactly the easiest thing to do to just start trading, especially something, for day trading like this is designed for. So if you're a member here, you can actually come in here to the teacup signals, click this view patterns button, and you'll just select any broker. It doesn't really matter which broker you use because the charts are all very similar. And then you just find the symbol that you're looking for. So what you're really looking for is these pink teacups. Like you'll see this one right here for NZD CAD. You can also look at these orange teacups, and I'll show you why after. But the pink ones, the pending activation, are the ones you're going to want to do. So all you would do is you would click this chart, you would come over here, and you would enter a sell limit order for this price with a take profit of this price and a stop loss of this price. So it gives you absolutely everything to enter in. And again, when you're doing these trades, it's around a 90% win rate right now. So that's been the huge win. You want to always make sure you're following the rules right before you do so. So make sure here that you want to know what the 4 and the 5 moving average are. Those are the lines on the chart that they show you. When the 4 crosses over the 5 moving upwards, do not take the nearest teacup after they cross. Okay, easy enough. So here we go. So we would take a look here. This black line is the 4. So boom, it's crossing on an upward. You would avoid this one. Easy enough, right? So let's check out gold. The black one crossed. There's been other teacups here, so that was a while ago. Good to go here. This entered. You can see it's already been activated because the price is now above the sell limit. So you could actually, it hasn't dropped back down yet. So you could actually get into this trade, even though it's already been activated, at even a little bit of a better position, right? Less risk because you're closer up here, and better profit if it's a win, right? So you can actually get into this one still because it hasn't dropped back down below the entry point. It's still a very active trade because it was just activated 19 minutes ago on this hour. So definitely something to keep your eye out. I know that if you've never traded before, this stuff could be like, I'm speaking Greek to you, but in all actuality, all you would have to do is learn how to enter a trade, how to enter the price, how to enter the stop loss and the take profit, which you could, if you're anybody that's worked with technology, you can learn how to enter the numbers in minutes, really. That's just, it's not hard to use. It's you can do it on a computer, you can do it on an app on your phone. There's a number of different ways, but all you would do is just type this in, copy and paste it if you wanted to, right? That's the beauty of these programs, these trades that are being supplied to us. And of course, these are trading signals, guys. These are never going to be 100% wins. Nothing's a sure thing. These are just ideas to kind of base it off of. Do they have a good success rate? Yeah, so far it's been absolutely phenomenal. Does that mean they'll always have a 90% success rate? Absolutely not, right? This is trading. This is how it goes. But I can just tell you that what I've seen has been amazing, and I think that the previous results definitely speak volumes for what's potentially possible moving forward. Now, I'm new to the teacup side of things, but I am not new to the gold side of things. Okay, I have been following Luke. So Luke Longmire is the head of everything on the gold rush side. I've been following his calls long before he had an app, and he's always been 85 to 90% for the last 12 months or so. So it's been absolutely phenomenal, and this one is easy as well. If you are a member, what it would do is when there's a signal, he literally comes in here and manually does all these right now. So when it's a signal, it's a manual signal, so he's reviewed it, he loves it, and it's it's a pretty safe bet. He would actually come in here and just type in, okay, buy now or sell now, take profit this, stop loss that. Very, very easy, and he announces it. You can get notifications set up for when these are called, or he also announces it in all of his Telegram channels and things like that, which you would have access to as a member of the company. So the company that I'm part of, guys, is called iMarkets Live. You're going to want to check this thing out. I don't see why you wouldn't be interested in checking it out. Again, you can look it up. It's definitely a great opportunity with some absolutely stellar results. So I've been very, very happy. I've been a member now for the last 7 or 8 months, and I haven't made any videos or talked about it much because I really wanted to see the long-term results. I wanted to be confident and comfortable of what I was saying when it came to something that I'm personally involved in here. So I really, really have been extremely happy, and I've been blown away by the results. I've been blown away by how willing people like Luke and Lisandro for the teacup side are to help us. Right? They're active in their Telegram chats. They're answering questions for you. They'll look at pairs for people. They do live trading sessions where you can just hop on and see them and chat with them. Do live trainings. It's been an absolute goldmine of information, and it's taken my zero knowledge of actually day trading, reading charts, and all of that stuff to a nice level where I'm consistently seeing gains, making profit, and that's the name of the game, right? It's all about seeing gains, making profit. If you're doing those things, then whatever you're doing is working, right? Am I saying that this is the only thing out there that works? Absolutely not. I'm sure there's other traders and other things out there that are successful as well. But what I'm telling you, this is the one that I'm part of, and if you're looking for something and you're not sure what to look into, this is a good step. This is a good step one for you to take a look at how to Forex trade, how to trade gold, how to make money while you learn, because that's really the key. So this is just one tiny little piece of what you get, guys. So what you can do is you can actually see that if you're trying to learn how to trade, yeah, sure, you can make some money by following their trades, right? But you could also make some money. You could also just take some trainings and learn. Okay, you can just take some trainings. That's the beautiful part. So say you wanted to see some trainings. All right, well, what would you want? You can do Forex education basic, advanced, crypto education, some videos on how to use all the products such as the harmonic scanner, the GoldCup app, the swipe coin, where they literally send trade calls right to your phone. It's absolutely amazing. So you would just come in here and see what you want to learn, right? You can see any of these pro traders, any of them. You just click access their session, and you can watch their last sessions, okay? So even if you miss it live, you can come back and you can be like, okay, this was here just recently, Thursday, December 27th. So this was 4 days ago. You can go back and watch their live training, so that way you know exactly what you missed. If you can jump on when it's actually live, there's probably even more value in there for you with that. But it's awesome that even if you miss it, you can get in there and you can see what they're looking at, and you can really just take leaps and bounds above everybody else. Also, there's an IML Academy. I don't feel like logging in right now on this video. Maybe I'll make another video with that, but it's already pre-made tutorials and more training style videos that are not very time specific, but will show you the strategies and how to even chart anything and what the lines on the chart mean, right? What do those blue and red bars even mean? So if you have zero if you have absolutely zero knowledge right now, you can put together some decent knowledge with some really high level success rate calls and earn while you learn with potential. So you always have the potential to earn while you learn with this, and that's one of the things that enticed me, is because I don't like to sit on the sidelines. I want to, if I'm going to learn something, I want to kind of immerse myself in it, but I also don't want to lose money because I'm doing that. So this has helped me be profitable while I've been picking up the skills, while I've been learning. So if it's something you're interested in, leave a comment below and let me know. So thanks, guys. That's all I have for you today. And until next time, happy Forex hunting, I guess. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.